Now let's go through this button. This button lets you create breakpoints at any command or method or function you want. Also forms, exceptions, source codes, programs includes, even row. For example, if you want to create a breakpoint at your append statement, you see it created a breakpoint at your append statement. I execute the code and it will stop there. Now I delete these breakpoints and set it again, save it, execute my program and go back to our first statement with the breakpoint. Now, create watchpoint is a little tricky. When I press this button, it will ask me a variable, and if you can provide a value. This is most useful when you are working with large amounts of data and you want to find, for example, a document number that its other attributes is wrong and you need to debug that. For example, here we can create our datum low variable and its value will be this one. So it will create a watchpoint that when this variable has this value, it will stop. You see, watchpoint created. But you can't see any breakpoints anywhere because it's variable dependent. So when I press execute, you see watchpoint reached because this variable now has this value which I created, the watchpoint. Don't forget, this is one of the most useful options you can use in your debugger.